What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the dance. We ready? The song is Set It Off. DJ 8 Mile, the clean version. The artist is FATMAN Scoop, featuring the Ying twins, and the choreography is ALICIA Williams. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, please watch this video. I'm actually uploading this video again. This is a revision. I just forgot the turn, so this is a reload. Okay, here we go.
FATMAN Scoop, Ying twins, this time's going down. We gon' make you sweat, we gon' get you drunk, we gon' make you jump. Let's start with the hand. Tues other people that ain't gonna blame me. We gonna blame me, get me on the TV and blame me. Don't see me the boy, the acting girl for IP. We are only do thing wrong, but ain't let the front lady the dog. Take the coin, take the one that's running in. Everything we go back for. But when you get your man, got the club, when you get me folks in the kids party was over at 5, 12 o'clock, and it's time to get live. 8 Mile. 8 Mile. 8 Mile. Detroit.
Hey, there you go. So make sure you add that turn, okay? Cha-cha, pivot turn, half turn, and then cha-cha on the left and come back. I want to give a shout out to ALICIA Williams again, the choreographer catching that error. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Love the dance. Great workout, y'all. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the